Hola, ¿cómo está? This is Pierre with a new video. Today I did two new drawings this morning. This first one is a rooster. I drew this from a picture on Instagram for this one. Look at my new pencil box. Looks good. Got lots of colored pencils, pens, oil pastels, the works. This next one is bam! It's Coraline. Whoever suggested that I should draw Coraline, thank you. This one has turned out pretty good. Just like the movie, right? I think so too. Look at my oil pastels. This is what I use for this one. I love being an artist. It helps me escape the worries of the real world. Well, that's about it for this quick video. If you guys have any questions, please leave a comment. Please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, do what you gotta do to help my channel grow. It's Pierre saying peace and ciao.